Ooh wee, look at that drip. Oh yeah, we got the full video, so stay tuned for these next couple steps to make this easy recipe. So first we're gonna start off with some olive oil to get that bread toasted. You can toast your bread in the toaster, but I personally love toasting my bread in the pan. Then go get a salted butter, get your sugar in there, sprinkle all around, get your sliced peaches, get it all nice and caramelized and browned just a little bit. It'll start to get sticky, a little sticky icky. And then you get your bread, line it up, gotta make sure it's right. Yeah, right there. Yep, get that ricotta on it. Next, we're gonna lay down those beautiful caramelized peaches on that beautiful piece of ricotta toast. And best believe we're gonna run that shot back. Get your nice hot honey, or use regular honey if you want to, and drizzle it on top. And there you go. Nice ricotta toast with some caramelized peaches and some hot honey drizzled on top. Hey, thank me later.